Welcome to the realm of swarm intelligence, a world where the power of collaboration and collective wisdom unfolds. Swarm intelligence is like a symphony of nature, where individuals work together harmoniously, communicating and adapting to achieve remarkable outcomes. Inspired by the wisdom of ants, bees, and other social creatures, swarm intelligence reveals the genius of collaboration in solving complex problems. Imagine a colony of ants building an intricate structure without a single blueprint. Swarm intelligence is the secret behind their success, as each ant follows simple rules, communicates with its peers, and collectively creates something far greater than what each ant could achieve alone. Computer scientists study swarm intelligence to develop algorithms that mimic the cooperative behaviors found in nature. These algorithms enable groups of agents or robots to work together, optimizing solutions, making decisions, and adapting to changing conditions, just like social creatures in the natural world. Swarm intelligence finds applications in various fields, from optimization problems in logistics and traffic management to robot coordination and even financial modeling. It allows us to tackle complex challenges that go beyond the capabilities of individual agents or traditional algorithms. Understanding swarm intelligence reveals the power of collaboration and collective wisdom. It invites us to explore the wonders of nature-inspired problem-solving, comprehend the beauty of cooperation, and imagine a future where intelligent systems work together to solve complex problems. Swarm intelligence challenges us to think beyond individual capabilities and appreciate the strength of collaboration. It invites us to explore the mesmerizing realm of nature-inspired problem-solving, where the genius of collective wisdom unlocks extraordinary solutions.